Hi, my name is Faruh Davletov. I'm a student at the MA History and Advanced Public History Certificate program at the College of Staten Island. As a part of my public history program, I did an internship at the Blavatnik Archive Foundation in New York City. As a student studying history and public history at a graduate level, the internship was a very great opportunity to apply a wealth of theoretical knowledge in public history that I gained while attending school to hands-on experience and practice. Most of my work at the internship was arranging archival materials that included separating the original papers from their copies, as well as published from unpublished ones. I was also engaged in discussions with the archive employees and academic professors about scholars research that specialize in Soviet and Russian history. In addition, we also shared ideas about different collections possessed by the archive. Besides, besides I explore how oral history could be done in practice, uh, because there were recorded video interviews with living Soviet veterans that were part of the Soviet Jews veterans collection I arranged during also my internship in the archive. I actually was very lucky to have an internship this year at the Blavatnik Archive because this private institution celebrated its 20th anniversary. I had the honor of being a guest at the event dedicated to the anniversary that was aimed at emphasizing the Blavatnik Archive's roles in scholars research and archival historical preservation. So, upon attending this event, I was very impressed by seeing presentations of academic scholars' research in Soviet history based on the Blavatnik Archive's primary sources. Um, in this sense, the anniversary event was a chance for me to view the public history outreach in practice. I mean, by saying that, I mean how public history and academic history could work together very closely and successfully in terms of exposing the archives collections to the public. What I got from my internship at Blavatnik Archive, the end result of my internship work and internship journey at this place was that I actually learned a lot of hands-on practice related to my major and profession. It included additional skills on how to properly arrange and study archival sources, and I think the most important thing about this internship experience was my exploration of how archival materials could be so unique and valuable for us that we actually can view and touch the subjects that were made decades and even 100 years ago and very well preserved at the same time, which is, I think, something I was very impressed about while being at the Blavatnik Archive. Regarding how the internship would be helpful for my future career, I think it will help me a lot in either academia or the public history field because it is all about the practical implementation of the theoretical knowledge I gain in school. I mean, when you know how it should be done in practice, I believe it will be much easier to get to other new jobs in the future. In this sense, having an internship at graduate school is tremendously helpful. And